My little fish must be hungry. Let's feed them. Eat up and grow big, guys. Oh no, the air pump just stopped working. Look how it's struggling without oxygen.
They're about to die. What should I do now?
I'll build a huge oxygen booster like this.
How to build the aquarium bubbler. 1. Build the base frame. First, I'll build the base rail. Next, I need the mount to hold the air chamber. There are 2 mounts in total. 2. Build the air chamber. It has a curved top designed to hold air inside the chamber. Acrylic sheet. Mount the air chamber onto the base frame. Three, build the vertical frames. First, I'll build the left vertical frame. The motor for the right frame. I'll need to make an air pump to push air. Thread the plastic tube through the frame. Testing the operation. The chamber tilts left and right to store and release air, while the air pump keeps generating air. Testing with boat.
Let's put the bubble machine in quick.
Oh!
The air pump piston is pushing air into the chamber so fast. Now, release the oxygen. Wow, the machine's so effective. Now I can put my little fish back into their home.
Oh!
The oxygen's still low. I'll keep the machine running. Good, the oxygen level is higher. I'll run it one more time. The tank is full of bubbles now. I'll make my fish tank more alive with these 2 mermaids.
Oh, wow.
And a treasure chest to add some mystery. Time to add some friends for my little fish. My aquarium finally looks like a mini ocean.
Welcome to the fishing competition, where fishing enthusiasts will test their skills. Who will emerge victorious today?
Victory is mine.
No one can beat me.
Good luck to all the contestants.
Level 1. Sport Fishing.
Nothing can stop me.
Woohoo! Oh yeah!
That's great.
It's impossible.
How to build the fishing machine. Step 1. Build the spinning board. Step 2. Build the motor housing. Install the gear. Step 3. Install the fish pieces. Each fish pieces has a magnetic pellet in its mouth. Let's attach the fish to the hole that has been prepared. Connect to the battery box. Testing the spinning board. Great, it works really smoothly. I have created 2 more spinning boards. Step 4. Set up the fishing machine. I will use a fishing rod to catch these fish.
I give up!
Time's up. I'll check the results right now. Wow, that's really surprising. Congratulations to Alex for catching 7 fish.
Oh, yeah!
And Tony, who has caught all the fish. It's a shame Lisa hasn't caught any fish yet. Now let's move on to the next round.
Level 2. Professional fishing.
Let's see who is a good fisherman.
I will definitely be the winner. Come on, come on. Great, the fish has taken the bait. Oh no, nothing but seaweed.
Your fishing rod is too small to catch the fish. Watch my performance. Great. You lost.
No way. Modern fishing rod. Fish cannot escape.
Wow.
Oh, yeah!
Now, the real battle begins.
Oh, yeah!
Wonderful.
Have all the fish escaped?
Look what I've got. Per you.
Are you kidding me?
You are really mean.
Oh my God, they have violated the rules. Today, we don't have the winner.
Here you go.
Eat up.
Once upon a time. Quiet. Can you just stop making noise for 1 second?
No, I don't like. Stop hitting me.
You're so loud.
You stop first.
I want to have my own bedroom.
We should do now then.
How to build the automatic ladder. Step 1. Build the frame. Step 2. Build a set of stairs. A rope attached to a set of stairs. Step 3. Connect stairs to the frame. Add the engine. Step 4. Complete assembly. Testing. Complete decoration.
Wow.
Wonderful.
My bedroom is awesome.
So cool.
A room just got upgraded with this cool bunk
How do
bed.
I get to the upper bunk of the bunk bed?
Let me show you. Turn on button.
Oh, it's so modern.
Look.
God, that's great. This is the coolest ride to my room ever. This new room is amazing. I like this bedroom. Here I go, down the best slide ever. Let's play.
I know you did it. You're a jerk. Take it out now.
No way.
Welcome to the most beautiful fountain contest. Here's the prize for the winner, the most precious thing in town.
I really want this car.
My fountain will amaze everyone here.
What's special about this?
It can raise lots of fishes. Amazing.
Mine is even more special.
What's special about yours?
It can both raise fish and light up.
It's better. I need to make a most unique fountain.
How to build a water fountain? Step 1. Build the water pump. Build the engine part. Install the gears. Add the engines. Install the case. Add the battery. Build the pump. Install the impeller. Add the pipe. Install the axle rod. Assemble them together. Connect the engine to the pump. Step 2. Complete the water fountain. Put the pump to the tank. Put the water fountain to the tank. The water fountain. Let's test the pump first. The fountain is being filled from the top tray to the bottom tray. The pump works perfectly.
Please see my fountain. Watch this. Water flows from the pump to the top level
And fills the lower levels. It's wonderful too.
Such a beautiful fountain. So hard to pick a winner.
It can also turn into a swimming pool.
Cool, yeah!
Yeah!
So creative. Very unique.
Today our winner is
The tank can raise fish, the fountain can light up, or Andy's swimming fountain. It's Andy!
Yeah?
That car is mine.
Here's your reward. It's a car billboard.
What? Where's my car?
It's mine. You fool!
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Hand. Today I will decor my bedroom to make it become more interesting. I'll combine my bed and my fish tank together. Guess what I'll get? Let's start. The aquarium bed. Step 1. Put glass tank into the bed frame. Add water. Add fish. More water. Look at my aquarium bed. It's great, but it's not done yet. Now I will complete it. Step 2. Build the bed frame. Step 3. Build the bed surface. Last step. Complete building. My aquarium bed is done. Let's decor my room. So I completed my aquarium bed. Like and comment below which I should do in the next video. Bye bye.